Okay, good evening and December 20. Saturday, medyo nakapahinga. Try nating mag-chart for Monday. So, ano ba yung nangyari, So, gagamit tayo ng trading view. So, chart analysis. So, top-down analysis, monthly. So, yun din, monthly resistance price, all-time high na October. And then, monthly support is November, yung high. Yan. So, yung high pa rin na October ang tinatawag nating monthly resistance, which is also the all-time high. And then the high ng November is our monthly support. Why? Dahil yung price niya is gumagalaw in between these two resistance on that monthly time frame. Ito, hindi naman masyadong significant ito. Pero lagay na rin natin. So, monthly support zone, another support zone, nung nandito pa yung price. This is sabi niya, November open, dito nag-open yung price, yung candlestick ng November, and then dito yung low niya. So, we have this as a zone. Pero bago tayo bumaba sa weekly, analyze natin yung candlestick ng monthly. This is September, October, November, December, and as you can see, both November and December are bullish. So, posible talaga na butasin niya to. And with all the news na lumalabas, the US is still cutting rates, And that will not be good for USD and good for gold. So, if I were you, ako in my opinion, I will allot 0.01. Hindi naman ganun kalaki kasi ang 0.01 para sa bias na bullish. Ayan. Even if I have a 300 pips stop loss, 0.01 or 0.1 multiplied by 300 is $30. What if ito ay abuti ng 6,000? Sabihin na natin, 6,000. Dito. Yan. Kung susukatin natin yan from here, that is around, di ba? 1,717 multiplied by 10, Laki. Malaki yan. If you will put your $0.1 per pips in a long term, masasabi ko medyo malaking income yan. So, let's go weekly. So, sa weekly, ganun, makikita mo din ito. These formations are really bullish, Yan. Medyo nag-consolidate dito, tapos, yan. And kahit tingnan mo lang, visual lang, di ba? Bullish na bullish talaga yung formation. Yun nga lang, medyo may chance pa rin na bumalik muna bago dumiretso. Pwedeng gumanon bago dumiretso. Because of this consolidation, possible na nagpa-profit taking pa sila dyan. Kaya ingat lang. So, and nasa very critical na position ngayon yung price ni gold. Critical means because this is all-time high. Let us go daily. Yan. Sa weekly, naglagay tayo ng panibagong pala, no? Last week, this is now the new low ng weekly, and this is now the new high ng weekly. And another thing pala, no? This is on the weekly, dito yung rejections. So these are previous resistance. At kung papansin niyo, price now is above the resistance. So this area now is a strong support. And price now is moving above this strong support. And looking at the candlestick formation na weekly, bullish talaga siya. Of course, nagre-react si price pagka may mga resistance like the all-time high. So, pwedeng mag-retrace yan dito or mag-retrace dito. Another, yan. And at the same time kasi, holiday na ngayon, ano? When you say holiday, possible na medyo yung mga institution nagka-holiday din. So, ibig sabihin, possible na ito talaga ay medyo magkakaroon ng correction or sideways, and we don't know kung bubutasin niya ng December or maybe January na. No? Kaya nga lang, mainam na rin binabantayan kasi baka mamaya biglang lumabas. Kasi pag biglang lumabas yan at nagkaroon ng daily dyan, imagine niyo yung consolidation na yan. This is like a triangle. So, diba? Kung lalagyan mo ng box yan, dahil yung box na yun ay ilalagay mo dito. So, halos 4,900. Diba? Kaya, medyo bantay, no? Monday, alam ko Monday meron pa, may trade pa ng Monday. Let us go daily. Ano ba yung mga nangyari for the past 5 days? So this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So ibig sabihin nag-open dito, nag-close dito. So, yun lang. Bullish pa rin yung candlestick, ano? When the closing price is above the opening price, the candlestick is bullish. Yan. Yun nga lang, medyo, nandito siya sa all-time high. So, we need to wait. And, possible, naglagay ako ng 0.01 sa buy. If butasin niya, and then I set almost 300 stop loss. So, nirisk ko yung $30 ko for that analysis. Kasi once na nag-break yan at nag-pullback, I can add more. And pag nag-breakout yan dyan, this is all-time high. Karaniwan, all-time high pag bin-breakout yan. Kaya bantayan natin yan. Bantayan nyo. Although it's holiday, the moment na mag-break yan, we don't know. Yan. Pwedeng sumipa. Yan. But ideal talaga is pag breakout, wait for the pullback. Yan. Lalo na ang breakout yan, lalo na kung ang breakout yan magkaroon ng malaking candlestick na green. Ayan. So, go ka na dyan. Kahit nalagyan mo pa yan ng 300 pips, ganun, malaki ang chance na tumaas talaga yan. with all the news ng USD and with the formation ng candlestick. So, kung medyo hindi tama, ganun talaga. Wala namang sigurado sa trading, Kasi we don't know kung ano iniisip ng mga tao. But at least you have a chance na kumita based on proper criteria. Wag lang yung biglang papasok. With all the criteria na tinitingnan ko, possible mag-retrace. If mag-retrace, antay lang uli. May pagdating dito, because there is a fair value gap dito, pagka nag-retrace yan, pwedeng antayin uli. Halimbawa, nagkaroon ng consolidation dito. Yan, antayin lang mag-breakout. Then, kasi parang paderito ngayon na binasag, hindi na butas. Yan. Parang ito, isa, dalawa, butas. Isa, dalawa. Baka pangatlong maso, mabasag na yung pader. Parang ganun yung analogy. So, at papansin nyo, palapit yung price. Dito, medyo sabi niya, siguro, sa sobrang tibay, nag-bounce ng ganun. Ito, isa rin. Ito, isa rin. Medyo hindi na lumayo. Butas. So, parang ganun din to. Medyo ito, baka maaring hindi na to lumayo. Isang butas. Kasi tinatry na talagang ko rin. And at the same time, dito, nakapag-profit taking na rin yung iba. No? And yung gold kasi is parang hindi na talaga siya bababa kung sa ngayon lang. Ganun yung mga news na lumalabas. So summary, wag niyong hayaan na hindi niyo sisilipin. Wag niyo naman sisilipin 24 hours. Anong silip? Asian kung mayroong significant, then London and New York, ganoon. Pag medyo bumaba, so antay dito. Kasi ito, medyo critical talaga to. This is a counter trend. Ako, mas prepared ko hintayin at mag-breakout ulit. Kasi, I'll go with the trend. Ganun yung concept na ginagawa ko. Okay? Hindi ko na hinahabaan kahapon yung Zoom kasi ganun din naman nakikita. Pansinin nyo, maraming hindi nagte-trade na mga mga traders na winning traders, tahimik kasi kung titingnan mo talaga to, these candlesticks are indecision. Why? The small body and both wicks, upper and lowers, are mahaba. So medyo risky to. Ito yung mga bumabawi ng panalo. Okay?